everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to fix App Store not downloading apps on your iPhone, iPad or iOS 17. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, you have to open up your App Store and then tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down, sign out your Apple ID and then sign in again and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem doesn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is open up your settings and then turn it on airplane mode and then turn it off and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is go to Wi-Fi and then tap on Wi-Fi and then forget this Wi-Fi and then reconnect and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem doesn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is scroll it down, tap on general and then tap on date and time and then this toggle is off, turn it on and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is go to VPN device management. You connected any VPN, so disconnect here. So go back and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings and then give it your iPhone password and then give it your screen time password, tap on reset network settings. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is go to general, go to software update and then update your software. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is open up your iPhone settings and then scroll down, tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Wait some seconds. So you offload unused apps. So upload that app and then your GB and then your storage will be increased. You easily download the apps. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. You have a problem, let me know in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.